Welcome to the Timberlake Dental Local Search Visibility Report. There are over 30 unique search phrases that users in the Denton, Texas area use when looking for services provided by Timberlake Dental. In our report, we will find out which searches Timberlake Dental is showing up for and which ones they are not. The more searches they show up for, then the more potential visitors and calls their business can receive. First, we need to do keyword research and find out what relevant keywords are being used in the Denton, Texas area by customers who are looking for services offered by Timberlake Dental. This is the Google Keyword Planner, a free tool provided by Google for AdWords advertisers to estimate traffic and bid value on search terms that users are actually using on Google. Using this tool, we can find out what relevant searches are being used in the Denton, Texas area that are relevant to Timberlake Dental's website. This tool also shows us the number of times the searches were used. The bid value is also of interest because it indicates that the search has buyer potential behind it. Using the Google Keyword Planner, we found 48 relevant search phrases that have bid value, which is a good indication of buyer intent. These 48 search phrases have a total of 2,080 average searches a month in the Denton, Texas area. We want to find out how many of these 2,080 searches are seeing Timberlake Dental in the search results and how many are not. The more searches Timberlake Dental is visible for, the more chances they will receive new visitors to their website and phone calls to their business. It is not uncommon to find businesses showing up for a handful of the relevant searches. The reason is they have not performed the keyword research to uncover the actual searches taking place and optimize their sites to be relevant for those searches. Now that we have a list of relevant keywords that users in Denton, Texas are using to find services offered by Timberlake Dental, we want to see if Timberlake Dental is showing up in those searches. You could take your phone or computer and try each search phrase, then look to see where Timberlake Dental shows in the results. This has a few problems. First, Google knows your personal browsing history and will tailor results according to your likes and dislikes. This means the results you get when searching dentist in Denton, Texas will be different from what customers get. Second, customers are going to be using different platforms. Some will use a computer to search. We call that Google Desktop. Others will use a mobile device. And then there are those who will use Google Maps. These are three different search engines within the Google system that use their own algorithms and bring different results. Third, we have the issue of our location when testing the search. Google uses proximity in determining what result to show the end user. If someone sitting inside a Timberlake Dental tries testing these searches, they will get different results than a person a mile away. This is a free search tool from BrightLocal that allows us to test localized search results. Let's look at the results when searching Dentist, Denton, Texas from the 76201 area code, which happens to be the center of Denton. A person familiar with Denton will recognize this map is near downtown Denton. Clicking on one of the business names, we will see the business is in the same area code. Let's try searching from the 76210 area code. As expected, Google is now showing us dentist in the 76210 area. The BrightLocal tool is great for getting localized results for a few searches, but we have a list of 48 search phrases to test. For that large number, we use the BrightLocal ranking report. Here is the BrightLocal local ranking report for Timberlake Dental using the 48 keywords selected earlier. For each keyword, the report tested and recorded its results for Google Desktop, Google Mobile, and Google Maps. Our highest ranking result was for the search phrase, cosmetic dentistry near me, which the Google Keyword Planner shows occurring 10 times a month. This number 3 with a C next to it means Timberlake Dental obtained the third spot in the local search pack. The number 7 below it is an organic listing. Those appear below the local search pack. We can verify that by clicking on the number, then click View SERP Screenshot. This opens up the screenshot that BrightLocal took to record the search results. This screenshot confirms that Timberlake Dental is in the number 3 position of the local search pack. Then further down, number 7 in the organic listings. The next one down, Dentist Texas Dentist, has 30 searches a month. On this search, Timberlake Dental showed up organically in the 8th position on Google Desktop, 10th position on Google Mobile, and 5th on Google Maps. Missing the local search pack hurts their visibility on Google Desktop and Mobile, and the number 5 position is lukewarm at best. The search phrase Dentist Denton, Texas has 170 searches a month, and they only appear in the organic listings for Google Desktop and Mobile, and were not found in the Google Maps results. These last 2 searches represent 200 monthly searches where Timberlake Dental does not appear in the local search pack, where 40% of the clicks happen. If they could get into the local listings for those 2 search phrases, that could result in an extra 80 visitors a month. If Timberlake Dental wants to grow their business, I would implement a local SEO campaign to rank better on the following search phrases: Dentist in Denton for 50 searches a month, Dentist in Denton, Texas, which is 70 searches a month, Dentist Denton, 90 searches a month, Denton Dentist, 210 searches a month, and Dentist Denton, Texas, 170 searches a month. Those 5 search phrases have a total search volume of 590 searches a month. Obtaining a number 1 position on those 5 searches could bring 236 extra visitors a month to Timberlake Dental's website. Links to the reports are in the description below. Thanks for watching.